What will the world look like when artificial intelligence replaces all jobs? Could this lead to a universal high income? Imagine a future where your daily grind is a thing of the past, a time when artificial intelligence, or AI, takes over all jobs, freeing us from the confines of our 9-to-5 routines. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot, but a prediction by one of the most influential tech visionaries of our time, Elon Musk. Musk envisions a world where AI doesn't just assist us in our jobs, but replaces them entirely. From data analysts to doctors, no profession is immune. AI, with its ability to learn, adapt, and perform tasks at an unprecedented scale and speed, could potentially take over all jobs. But what does this mean for us? In Musk's view, this AI-dominated future could lead to a universal high income. With AI performing all labor, the economic resources generated could be distributed equally among all people, eliminating job scarcity and income inequality. It's an enticing prospect, isn't it? A world where everyone has access to a comfortable income without the need to work. But as with any revolutionary idea, there are concerns. One major apprehension is the loss of the human touch. Can an AI-powered doctor empathize with a patient's suffering? Can an AI artist capture the subtleties of human emotion in a piece of art? And then there's the risk of AI malfunction or misuse. What happens if the AI systems we rely on for everything fail, or worse, fall into the wrong hands? As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's essential to consider the implications of such a drastic shift in our employment landscape. Imagine a world where AI does everything. What would this mean for us as individuals and as a society? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been steadily evolving, and we're now looking at a future where it could potentially take over all jobs. This might sound daunting, but there's a silver lining. With AI handling all jobs, we could be looking at a universal high income. How's that for a change? This shift could be a game changer for economic equality. If everyone has access to a high income, regardless of their job or skill set, we could see a significant reduction in wealth disparities. It's like a giant reset button that levels the playing field. But this AI-dominated future isn't just about economics. There are social and cultural implications to consider. With machines taking care of work, we could find ourselves with more time on our hands. How would we use this time? Would we find new hobbies, spend more time with loved ones, or perhaps discover new passions? The value we place on work could also change. Today, our jobs often define us. They give us a sense of purpose and identity. But in a future where AI does all the work, we might need to rethink our sense of self-worth. And then there are the ethical and moral implications. Who would be responsible for the decisions made by AI? Could AI be biased or discriminatory? As we delegate more tasks to AI, we must ensure that these systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. In this future world, we may find ourselves grappling with new questions about fairness, responsibility, and what it means to be human. So what have we learned about the future of jobs and the role of AI? We've delved into the bold prediction that artificial intelligence will replace all jobs, creating a universal high income, a future where AI does everything, rendering the need for jobs obsolete. This is not just a paradigm shift in how we work, but a potential economic equalizer, accessible to everyone. We've also explored the potential benefits and downsides. On the bright side, AI could free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on creative and meaningful pursuits. But there's a shadowy 20% too, as Musk warns. The ethical and moral considerations are vast. How do we ensure fairness? What about the psychological impact of a jobless society? We've pondered the social and cultural implications. How will our societies adapt to such a seismic change? Will our identities, often tied to our professions, undergo a transformation? The future of jobs and the role of AI is a complex and multifaceted issue. But one thing is certain, it's a future we need to be ready for.